A very good morning, dear children. I am Tarkeshwar Pandey. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to know the new words and question answer of the chapter Sea Song. So let's know about new words of this chapter. There are 5 new words in this chapter. Know clearly the meaning of the new words and use in sentence also. Our first word is sail. S-H-E-L-L. S-H-E-L-L. Sail. Sail means hard protective layer to cover. Sail means hard protective layer to cover. Using sentence, I found a sail near the river. I found a sail near the river. Next word is held. H-E-L-D. H-E-L-D. Held. Held means to keep or carry. Held means to keep or carry. Using sentence, Ramu held my books. Ramu held my books. Next word is surprised. S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E-D. Surprised. Surprised means something that causes wonder or amazement. Surprised means something that causes wonder or amazement. Using sentence, she was surprised to get the first prize. Once again, she was surprised to get the first prize. Next word is curly. C-U-R-L-Y. C-U-R-L-Y. Curly. Curly means arranged in curls. Curly means arranged in curls. Using sentence, his hair is curly. Once again, his hair is curly. Next word is clear. C-L-E-A-R. Clear. C-L-E-A-R. Clear means easy to understand. Clear means easy to understand. Using sentence, my teacher made the chapter clear. Use in sentence, my teacher made the chapter clear. Now know about question answer under the heading reading is fun. There are 3 questions under the heading reading is fun. So now know about your question and answer under the heading reading is fun. Our first question is, where did the child find the seashell? Once again, where did the child find the seashell? The correct answer of this question is, the child found the seashell lying on the sand. Once again, the child found the seashell lying on the sand. Now question number 2. What did the child do with the sail? Once again, what did the child do with the sail? The answer of this question is, the child picked up the sail and took it home. Once again, the child picked up the sail and took it home. I want to repeat the answer of this question once again. Your question is, what did the child do with the sail? The answer of this question will be, the child picked up the sail and took it home. Now question number 3. What did the child hear? Once again, what did the child hear? The correct answer of this question is, the child heard a soft, clear and sweet song from the sail. Now know once again, the child heard a soft, clear and sweet song from the sail. I want to repeat this question once again. What did the child hear? The correct answer of this question is the child heard a soft, clear, and sweet song from the sail. I think you have understood these new words and question answer. So now I want to wish you all have a nice day and goodbye you all. If you are first time viewer of this channel, then subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for more updates about this channel.